Welcome, Wanderlust souls, to Travel Station, your one-stop destination for all things travel. Whether you're a seasoned jet-setter or a budding backpacker, we're here to guide you through the thrilling maze of global exploration. With us, you'll discover the best travel tips, the most enchanting destination guides, and the most reliable safety advice to make every journey you undertake a memorable and worry-free experience. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Because at Travel Station, we believe that the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So are you ready to turn the page? Stay tuned as we delve into some essential travel safety tips that every traveler should know. Do you love to travel but worry about safety? Well, you're not alone. Traveling is an exhilarating adventure filled with new cultures, cuisine, and landscapes, yet it often comes with its fair share of uncertainties. But fear not. Travel safety doesn't have to be a daunting prospect. With a few key strategies, you can explore the world with confidence and peace of mind. So buckle up, fellow Globetrotters. Stay tuned as we delve into some essential travel safety tips that every traveler should know. So, what are these travel safety essentials that can make your journey worry-free? I'm thrilled to guide you on this subject. It's an important matter, one that every seasoned traveler holds in high esteem. Let's plunge right into the heart of it, dissecting the subject one layer at a time. Before anything else, and I mean anything, it is absolutely paramount to research your destination you so much as put a toe out the door. Why's that, you may wonder? Well, awareness of your destination equates to preparation. This process involves a thorough understanding of the local customs. This information will allow you to respect and adhere to the cultural norms and practices of the place you are visiting, promoting positive interactions with the locals. While it's important to go with the flow during your travels, it's crucial to be informed about the important landmarks in your destination. These could either be iconic structures that are deeply woven into the cultural fabric of the place, or they could be areas that are known to be tourist-friendly. Knowing these locations beforehand not only enriches your travel experience but also provides a sense of familiarity and safety in a foreign land. And let's not forget potential safety risks. Understanding these can help you avoid any unexpected problems and ensure your journey remains smooth and enjoyable. The internet has made this process easier than ever. There are plenty of platforms that provide authentic reviews and experiences from other travelers, making it simpler for you to identify potential risks and make informed decisions. Next, we move on to the second travel safety tip, keeping emergency contact information handy. On the surface, it seems like an obvious precaution, but you would be surprised how easily this can slip one's mind amidst the excitement of the journey. This includes local emergency numbers, the address and contact details of your accommodation, and the contact information of your country's embassy or consulate. The latter is particularly important if you're internationally, as it can provide invaluable assistance in the event of unforeseen circumstances. The third travel safety tip is to always stay aware of your surroundings. This isn't just about avoiding dangers or potential risks, which is of course vital. But there's another aspect to it. By being aware, you get to fully appreciate the beauty and uniqueness of the place you're visiting. Each destination has its own charm, its own rhythm, and by staying aware, you can immerse yourself in this rhythm. You can live it, and you can make memories that will last a lifetime. Lastly, but certainly not least, secure your belongings. This cannot be stressed enough. While traveling, your belongings are your lifeline. They carry your money, your identity, your connection to home. Therefore, it's vital to keep them safe. Use hotel safes for your valuables. It's a service provided by the majority of accommodations for a reason. Additionally, always keep your bags close to you, especially in crowded places. Petty theft is unfortunately common in many tourist destinations, and a moments can lead to a significant loss. In conclusion, travel safety isn't about limiting your fun or dampening your adventurous spirit. It's about ensuring that your experiences are positive, enriched, and above all, safe. Remember, safety doesn't happen by accident. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. It's always crucial to research your destination thoroughly, ensure you're insured for any eventualities, and keep your belongings secure at all times. Don't forget the importance of respecting local customs and laws, staying healthy while traveling, and always having a backup plan. With these tips in mind, you're ready to set off on your next adventure. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page. So go out, explore, but most importantly, stay safe. That's it for today's travel safety tips. But before you click away, don't forget to subscribe to Travel Station for more exciting travel tips and guides. If you found our tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. We also want to know what you think, so drop us a comment below and share your own travel safety tips. Every journey begins with a single step, so step up, explore, and stay safe. Until our next adventure, happy travels.